Hello everyone. Recently, the northeastern state of Assam is affected by one of the worst floods in last few decades, leaving a trail of destruction and chaos in its wake, where it has also displaced thousands of people, which causing widespread damage to infrastructure and agriculture at the same time. Let's understand this issue in a broader context. But before starting this lecture, I welcome you to SRIRAM Science, an institute serving the nation since 1985. And also, if you have not subscribed the channel so far, do subscribe it and press the bell icon for more engaging and informative sessions like this. Now, first of all, let's understand the river system of Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra river system is a vital network of rivers in northeastern India and Bangladesh. It flows down to three countries, China, India and Bangladesh, where it originates from Chamyangdong Glacier near Kailash. In Tibet it is known as Sangpo, where in Arunachal Pradesh it is called Dihang, Brahmaputra in Assam and at last Jamuna in Bangladesh. Now this flood have a devastating impact on the people of Assam. That is over 2 million people affected, including women, children and elderly. About 10,000 villages submerged, leaving thousands without shelter or access to basic necessities. More than 1 lakh hectare of cropland destroyed, threatening the food security and livelihood. And unfortunately, 100 deaths reported so far, with many more feared, trapped or missing. Now, over the year, these floods in Assam had a devastating impact on Kaziranga National Park also, one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site and also home to many endangered species like one-horned rhinos. The park's unique ecosystem and wildlife have been severely affected, with habitat destruction, animal casualties and displacement being some of the major concerns. The flood water has submerged vast area of the park, destroying habitat and forcing animals to flee, resulting in many animal deaths due to drowning. Now overall, this recent flood in Assam highlight a recurring annual crisis in India, exacerbated by both natural and man-made factors. Floods are typically categorized as natural disaster by organizations like National Institute of Disaster Management and the World Health Organization. However, this classification overlooks the human factors contributing to flood damage also. Now let's understand the causes of floods in India. One of the primary causes of floods in India is heavy rainfall, especially during the monsoon season from June to September. Intense and erratic rainfall can exceed the soil's absorption capacity or overwhelm drainage system, leading to floods. Whereas melting snow and glaciers are also one among the reasons, where in mountainous region due to rising temperature can increase river and stream water level, resulting in downstream flooding. For example, glacial lake outburst flood killed around 14 people in Sikkim. More than 100 people were missing so far. Whereas flooding can also occur when a river's water level exceeds its capacity due to excessive inflow from upstream or diminished outflow downstream. Like in 2023, the Yamuna river overflowed due to heavy rains in Himachal Pradesh and Haryana, overwhelming the barrages in Delhi, causing floods in overall several areas along the river. Now floods can also appear due to man-made or anthropogenic causes. For example, unplanned urbanization and shooting up of slums on the outskirts of urban center can also trigger flood in case of heavy rainfall, like 2020 floods in Hyderabad and Chennai in 2015. Thousands of houses were submerged, and reminding of how rapid urbanization is making cities prone to urban floods. On the same side, deforestation is also one among the reasons. We all know that forests plays a crucial role in absorbing rainfall and facilitating groundwater recharge. But deforestation can lead to reduced soil's capacity to retain water, leading to great surface runoff, which can carry excess water into river and stream, raising the risk of flooding as such. And at last, dams and barrages can also trigger high-scale floods if they are not properly managed. Now it is to be noted that according to National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA), Regions susceptible to floods lies mostly along the Ganga-Brahmaputra river basin from the northern state of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, covering Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and stretching to Assam and Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. And with that, around 12.19% of the total geographical area in India is vulnerable to flood according to RBA, that is Rashtriya Baad Ayog. Now after all this, let's understand the solutions for flood management in India. Like this can be interlinking of river programs, as it is aimed at linking different surplus rivers of the country with deficient rivers so that the excess water from the surplus region could be diverted to the deficient region. For example, we have Ken Betwa linking project, which is a flagship project of national government and also crucial for the water security and socio-economic development of Bundelkhand region. Now the another way can be managing the coastal flood properly. Like 2004 tsunami made people realize that mangroves can serve as a reliable safety hedge against coastal calamities like storm surge and coastal flooding. For example, Misty Initiative for Mangroves Plantation was recently launched by government and also mentioned in the Union Budget 2023-24. With that, creating embankments and diversions can also be a possible solution for these floods. Now at last, National Disaster Management Authority can provide guidelines classifying flood-prone land into 4 zones: prohibited, restricted, regulated and free areas. This will definitely help in the mitigating these challenges. And after all, by properly adopting a holistic strategy that incorporates advanced forecasting, sustainable practices and community awareness, overall we can better prepare for and respond to the flooding challenges in overall country. And after that, I hope you learned a lot from this session. If so, then do press the like button and also give your valuable opinion in the comment section. Stay connected with us. Thank you and God bless you all.